How does LG Smart TV work? LG Smart TVs operate using webOS, a user-friendly smart TV platform that provides access to streaming services, apps, and advanced features. They offer Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and AI-powered picture enhancements for an improved viewing experience. 1. Smart features and streaming services. LG Smart TVs connect to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, allowing users to access streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and Hulu. Download additional apps from the LG Content Store. Use built-in Chromecast or AirPlay to cast content from mobile devices. The Magic Remote with voice control enables users to navigate the interface using Google Assistant or Alexa. Second, webOS operating system and user interface. LG's webOS provides a smooth, intuitive interface with a customizable home dashboard for quick access to apps and inputs. Multitasking features, allowing users to switch between apps seamlessly. AI-powered recommendations based on viewing habits. The ThinQ AI integration enhances smart functions, enabling hands-free control and smart home connectivity. 3. Display technology and picture quality. LG Smart TVs feature OLED, QNED, nanocell, and LED panels, each offering different display benefits. OLED models provide perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and rich colors. QNED and nanocell TVs use quantum dot technology for brighter and more accurate colors. HDR support. Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG enhances contrast and dynamic range. 4th, connectivity and external device support. LG Smart TVs include multiple connectivity options, such as HDMI and USB ports for gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and storage devices. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless streaming and device pairing. HDMI EARC for high-quality sound output when connecting to soundbars or home theater systems. LG Smart TVs function as versatile entertainment hubs, combining smart streaming, AI-driven enhancements, and high-quality display technology. With a user-friendly webOS interface and seamless connectivity options, they provide an intuitive and feature-rich experience for home entertainment.